Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Crypto Prediction Today or Bitcoin Price Prediction or Bitcoin Forecast. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you here in the daily time frames what the Bitcoin doing. Then we go into the 4 hours here. We show you here what we're doing here in the 4 hours for swing trading. Then we're going to go at the last at 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing here in 30 minutes. So try to watch all the video and don't skip nothing. And we're going to give you our analysis in all those time frames. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we put in for you every day 2 videos, guys. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated on what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, you're going to be notified when also we put in something new here, guys. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So guys, here in the daily, as you see it, what the Bitcoin doing here, the same thing what happened here. If you remember it here, that time is the same thing happening here. And even the volume down, as you see it. It came, as you see here. Where is the last time when it pushed down is here. Now we are the same thing here. Same volume as you see it down, and we are in the same supply and demand zone. So now either one of two, from here we're going to make a correction down, or from here we're going to break and we go higher, guys. And here in the daily also we tell it to you before that for long-term trading, guys, we tell it to you, we got here that inside bar, that one we need to make a close eye at it if we are going to go back upward here or we are going to go downward here. So we need either to break up or down. And inside it here, we got 2 levels. That one, the first level, and that one here is the second level here. Now also we still stuck here in the first level because there is no big people they buying. Majority of people here, just those people, they want to scalp and day trade. And big whales, they haven't entered yet. So make a close eye what's going to come, guys. Fundamentally also we're looking great now. Let's wait in the start of the week what is going to tell us. Picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. If there is any swing trading opportunity, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, where also we enter long. We enter long here when we used to have here that triangle here, at that break here. Also we enter long. And me, I tell it to you in the last 2 videos, I told you also we are going to stay sideways here. And that's what it's showing here. I told you till Monday, then we're going to see either we're going to break higher here or we're going to go back down to make a small correction. Then after that, it's going to go higher. But here, as you see it, also we're still stuck here in that stronger supply and demand zone. So till now, the picture is very, very, very clear to you guys. So my view to it now. Also, we enter long from here. We put the stop loss down here and we wait in the Bitcoin to go higher. The first target of us, it needs to be here. At that level here. Second one upward a little bit here at the 200 moving average, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. By the way, my friend, did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it, please. Helping us. You know that channel without you guys can't growing up. So please support us. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. And I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now let's going to see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Here, our indicator, guys, as you see it, we're still stuck here in that level. So I think there is a correction going to come, guys, soon or later, before it will go up and to break for us. Or maybe from here, it's going to go higher. Because till now, it given us here a hidden divergence. So people didn't know how to trade hidden divergence. That's another story. I'm going to explain to you in the coming videos. But here, it given us here a hidden divergence. So let's wait in the coming videos, guys, what they are going to tell us if we are going to go higher or not. Picture is too clear. Also here, we're still stuck here in that level. So we need to wait to break for us the downtrend here. If it doesn't, also we are not going to follow it more. But also, me personally, I think we are going to go till here, till the overbought area. Then over there, we're going to take the profit, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, we'll be in here at the oversold area. That way also we enter, because when it's breaking here, we enter long. Till now also we still here in the middle, guys. We don't know when it's going to be here at the overbought. Maybe over here is going to be at the overbought. So we need to wait in the coming days. And here, as I show you, it shows us there are hidden divergence. So let's wait in the coming days, guys. If we are going to go back here to that zone here, that one here, or no. If we go back here, that is going to be very, very, very good, and it will be very, very decent profit for us. But if it's not, we need to accept it, taking the loss, guys. That's a part of the game. Also, we enter long and we wait in the take profit. If it came, fair enough. If it came to stop loss, fair enough, because we need to accept the decisions of us. And our indicator is still here at the middle, so there is nothing new. We need to wait until it came here to the overbought area. That's the right time for us to take profit, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, the last video, watch me, I told you. I told you here, when it's breaking here, you need to enter long. It came up till here. Over here will have you take profit, guys. Here in that zone will have you take profit. Why? I'm going to explain it to you. And here, let's go back. All the signals also we give you here. First signal, we give it to you here, because we used to have here a wage. When it's breaking here, we tell you to enter. You enter short till here. Me, I'm talking here about scalping, guys. You enter down till here. Then here, I told you when it's breaking here in that zone, you enter long. Over here, you take profit. Now, what the chart is telling us, guys, here. What it's telling you. You got a new pattern here. Look at it. Like that. Not for long term. But for short term, what you got here? Look with me here. I'm going to draw it in, not on top of it. Look here, and look here. It gives you here a double bottom, guys. Yes or no? Where is the lower of it? Is it here? The 200 moving average, guys. If it came up breaking down, you enter short, guys. Why? I'm going to tell you why. Let's see our indicator. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, it's being here at the overbought area. Here now, it's breaking down. You need to enter short. Take profit, it needs to be down here at the oversold area, or down here at that level here. By the way, to get that indicator is very simple. There is one video here in the channel. His name, how to make $100 a day. In the description of that video, you're going to find the source code of that indicator. Download it and install it in your trading view. And even in that video, we show you how to do all those things. Picture is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.